Pizza Massilla, a Michelin Plate pizza, let's order more? Manja manja. A consistent rating of 4.5 stars in just about every review site. I can understand completely why they have those ratings, as Pizza Massilla is a masterpiece. The freshest organic ingredients, all natural, used in making these delicious pizzas and pasta. It's no wonder this place has a Michelin Plate award. Pizza Massilla is voted as Thailand's best restaurant in 2017 plus more. I can definitely see all of the other awards because their food is exceptional. For 2 years in a row, 2019 and 2020, they have also won the Plate Awards. In true Napoli pizza style, the pizza here is made in a wood-fired oven and carefully prepared dough, which is the way it is supposed to be eaten. It is how Italians like pizza, a thinly rolled dough with a deliciously thick, chewy, tender crust. I can remember the time when I was in Pisa and I went to go buy my first slice of pizza in Italy. I was literally in heaven. I realized all the nutrients are in one dish. You got bread, meat, cheese, and greens all in one bite. I've also started to really like burrata cheese. This cheese means buttery in Italian, is made from a mix of mozzarella and cream. Of course, something this sinfully good can become easily added as an extra on pizza. Italian Napoli pizza lovers won't want to miss this place, as the 17 specialty pizzas offer not only variety but also use high-quality produce. All the elements, dough, oven, and even the firewood, pine and eucalyptus, are imported from Italy. As a result, this pizza is so tasty and easily digestible, thanks to a dough that has been leavened and matured for over 28 hours. I know their secret for the dough. Brilliant. I know this may seem excessive, but I wanted to try the different pizzas. I sent in my order of the different types that I wanted to try. They sent me 3 pizzas and 2 kinds of pasta and 1 dessert. I think I'll be eating pizza for the next few days. I've always wondered what the different pasta sauces were all about. Curiosity got the best of me. Do pasta sauces actually differ in taste that much? Carbonara sauce is commonly used in Italian dishes, and so I dug a bit deeper into the history of the sauce. First of all, carbonara sauce ingredients are comprised of pancetta, egg yolks, heavy cream, garlic, and plenty of freshly ground black pepper. Except for the heavy cream, which of course I love but not my calorie counter. Secondly, a block of hard Italian cheese is also added during the cooking process, which gives it the salty zestiness, which makes my mouth water. The sharp cheese Pecorino Romano for this purpose is the first choice, but salty and mellow or Parmesan filling in whenever necessary. Choose from authentic or creative recipes, as well as gluten-free options. We also suggest you try the terrific Ribeye XL. A cozy look and friendly ambience make it ideal for small gatherings. This is gnocchi, although it doesn't look like gnocchi in the picture. It sure in the heck tasted like gnocchi. It came wrapped so nicely in the foil and was steaming hot. I took this photo to show the cheese oozing and overflowing. In addition, was one of the best, cheesiest, tangy and best gnocchi ever. The soft pillowy gushes of gnocchi and stringy mozza cheese. I added some crushed red chilies on it for a more piquant spicy taste. All well-prepared gnocchis are made of cooked mashed potatoes, flour and eggs, just like pasta without the potato. Choose from authentic or creative recipes, as well as gluten-free options. We also suggest you try the terrific Ribeye XL, cooked to your perfection. An intimate, snuggly and friendly ambience makes it ideal for small gatherings. When COVID-19 stops wreaking havoc on the world, we will definitely hit one of the locations up for a nice lunch dinner. Moreover, I had a chance to speak to Laura, marketing manager, who is such a pleasure to speak to. Bravo to Laura and the staff for making the delivery experience seamless and non-daunting. Thank you to Mr. Luca Apino, the managing director of Pizza Massilla also. The delivery comes nice and hot right to your lobby floor. Make sure you give these guys a call to place your order today, and trust me, you will not be disappointed. With love and gratitude. To follow all our channels, scan us here.